let's just take a quick look at what this problem is asking for. I've created this graph on Desmos where I created the equation for a circle centered at -2, 7 with a radius of 10. That's this equation right here. And I've drawn the line where x equals 6, and we can see that it intersects the circle at two different points, 6, 13, 6, 1. And since the radius of the circle is 10, both of these distances must be 10 because those are radii of the circle centered at -2, 7. So we know our answers are going to be either 13 or 1. The question is, how do you do it algebraically? Well, one way to do that is to use the distance formula. You could also use the equation of the circle, which is really the same thing. So instead of using 6, y, I'm going to use 6, b to represent the coordinates of point N, and substitute what we know into the distance formula. The distance between the points is 10, and that has to equal the square root of the change in x squared plus the change in y squared. And that results in 100 equals 64 plus b minus 7, the quantity squared, after we square both sides. And then we've got a quadratic equation. After squaring the binomial, we get it equal to 0, factor, and solve for b. b equals 1 or b equals 13. Technically, since we solved a radical equation here by squaring both sides, we need to check these solutions in the original equation, but I think you'll find that they work. So there's your answers.